What happens when we eat protein? When you eat protein, it goes through several stages of digestion and absorption, eventually providing your body with the necessary amino acids to build and repair tissues. Here is a step-by-step explanation of what happens. 1. Ingestion and chewing. Mouth. When you eat protein-rich foods, the process begins in your mouth, where mechanical digestion, chewing, breaks down the food into smaller pieces, making it easier to swallow and increasing the surface area for enzymatic action. 2. Stomach. Stomach acid and enzymes. Once the food reaches your stomach, it encounters hydrochloric acid, HCl, and the enzyme pepsin. The acidic environment denatures the proteins, that is, unfolds their structures, and pepsin breaks the peptide bonds, resulting in smaller polypeptides and amino acids. 3. Small intestine. Pancreatic enzymes. The partially digested protein moves into the small intestine, where it is further broken down by pancreatic enzymes, such as trypsin, chymotrypsin, and carboxypeptidase. Brush border enzymes. Enzymes in the lining of the small intestine, that is, brush border enzymes, like aminopeptidases, continue to break down the peptides into individual amino acids. 4. Absorption. Transport across intestinal wall. Amino acids and small peptides are absorbed through the intestinal lining into the bloodstream. This absorption occurs via active transport mechanisms, often requiring energy, ATP. Bloodstream transport. The absorbed amino acids are transported through the bloodstream to various tissues and organs. 5. Utilization. Protein synthesis. Once in the cells, amino acids are used to synthesize new proteins needed for various bodily functions, such as building muscle, repairing tissues, producing enzymes and hormones, and supporting the immune system. Energy production. If necessary, amino acids can also be converted into glucose through gluconeogenesis, or used directly for energy, especially during periods of fasting or intense exercise. 6. Excretion. Excess nitrogen. Any excess amino acids not used by the body are deaminated, meaning the amino group, which contains nitrogen, is removed. This nitrogen is converted into urea in the liver and excreted through the urine by the kidneys. Importance of protein. Growth and repair. Proteins are essential for growth, repair, and maintenance of tissues. Enzymes and hormones. Many enzymes and hormones are proteins, playing critical roles in metabolic processes. Immune function. Antibodies are proteins that help the immune system fight infections. Transport and storage. Proteins like hemoglobin transport oxygen in the blood, and other proteins store essential nutrients. In summary, eating protein involves a complex process of digestion, absorption, and utilization, ensuring your body gets the necessary building blocks to function properly. Thanks for watching the video. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel and click on the like button and bell button to reach the video as soon as I publish it.